Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. And check out the other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And all you got to do is click the link down below, add it to your cart, check out so they can ship to you fast. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far today. Everybody is safe, staying warm. It is cold out in Michigan. What we got here. Oh boy. It should be exciting. Something different. Alright, get rid of this box. We got another box. There we go. Now I can sit down. Alright, what do we got here? AUZAI LED FC 21" and a half LED monitor. So if you guys need a good monitor, this is the one to get right here. You might want to grab a couple in case you're doing the dual screens like myself. I got a couple downstairs, so I might have to replace these. I'll probably use this one now, or like a gaming monitor, extra one. Come on. There we go. There we go. All right, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Oh, snug, pretty good in there. Oh boy. There we go. Get this out of there. This looks nice. Oh. Get out of there. We got the power source right here. Clean up my mess for a second. We got HDMI. And right over there. And now we got stand. Not too bad. I like it. And now take a look at the screen. Ooh. Oh yeah, this is a nice one. Look at that. Just gonna pop this in. So we got the screen right here, or the stand. See if I could get it in the first time the right way. Probably not, but we could try. There we go. It's locked in good. And we got the back right here. The speakers. You got HDMI, VGA, audio, and power. So plus right here, you can mount that. Like I said, with the dual screens you can use. It's pretty sturdy. A little wobbly, no, not too bad. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, we got it plugged in right down there. Had to remove the Alexa. Down here is the power, the adjustments, all that good stuff. Aha! Look at that. So now I'm gonna have to grab something. I'll be right back. Alright guys, we got it plugged in. I got the Sega Mini. Let's see if this works. Power. Ooh. Ah, look at that beauty. Change brightness, volume. And there's a brightness, contrast, preset modes. And you can always adjust your screen. Oops. See if I can get a better view for you guys. So this is a nice retro station you can have for your office or your basement, gaming cave. Or you can hook up your laptop, your iPad, anything you can hook it up with. Well, we're going to use it as a retro. Why isn't my Sega working? Alright. Frozen. Alright, let's see if I can get it going. We'll do a test game for a quick minute. It reads HDMI, so that's working. There we go. There we go. This is a class game, Mutant League football. Hockey was another good one too, Mutant League. Probably gonna have to hook up some kind of speakers. There's that. There's game mode, movie mode, PC mode. I think we'll have it game mode. You have active contrast. Menu. There we go. Alright. But it's working. Really nice. Let me turn off the lights. You can hear the sound a little bit. But that looks really good though. So this would be, like I said, excellent backup one or a permanent one for you guys to get this year. Always gonna have an extra screen around. This is my oh man, come on stars. Well, this game was cool. No hope. So there you go. But check them out, YouTubers. AUZAI. Yeah, that's how you pronounce it, but super lightweight. Like I said, you can mount this on the wall. You can do a lot, or you can use a like the downstairs with the dual screens. You could hook up. So you might want to check them out. They might be on sale, or you might want to grab 2 or 3. So it depends on how many screens you want to hook up. But they got them really good price, so definitely delayed game. Oh boy. Alright guys, I'm going to get down on some Sega now. And that's about it for today, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good day. See you soon.